Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to add a clickable link to your YouTube video description in 2025 the right way. So make sure that you stick around till the end for the tips on formatting and tracking your links clicks. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser and search for youtube.com. Once you are on YouTube, you need to make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are successfully logged in your YouTube account, simply click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner, then click on the option of YouTube Studio. Now, once you are inside your YouTube Studio dashboard, you need to click on the content option here in the left hand section. Over here, you can either upload a new video in which you want to add a clickable link in the description, or if you already have an existing video, you need to click on the pencil icon over here in order to access the description of that particular video. For example, let's say I want to add the link in this video's description. So over here, you need to paste the full link starting with HTTPS. If the link is without HTTPS, it may not work. So you need to make sure that your link looks something like this. If it is any affiliate link of yours, you can either just use a short link, or you can add it over here directly. YouTube will automatically turn it into a clickable link without you doing anything. You can also add some of the labels like this one. You can add visit my blog and then you can provide your link, or you can also promote the affiliate links, and for that you can use this label, that is get the product here and then provide your affiliate link. Once you are done, make sure that you save your changes. So click on the save option here in the top right hand corner of the screen, and now you can go to your video in order to check whether the link is clickable or not. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.